Yeah. In this hunger strike, we are mainly victims are the survival classes. Mainly 3,000 among 3,000 candidates. Perhaps the 2,000 and 1,800 candidates mainly scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and Muslims. So the Ambedkariyat, many organizations already came here and they are doing their works for solution our this problem. But the government of West Bengal even now not necessary steps for the solution of our life and also these problems. Thank you.
So what are the steps that the parties are taking to help you?
There are many steps already taken in every aspects. Many organizations are helping to us, and these months are open to all.
Open to all. Everyone is coming and helping you.
Every organizations, every political parties, every organization, students organization, teachers organization, every organizations and every people are coming here for solution this problem and also the help to us.
What are the you have been why do you think the government is not responding still? Because you have been fighting for 39 days now, and before that you have been also in front of that in Salt Lake for 21 days. So why do you think the government is not?
Before 21 days, before 21 days in front of School Service Commission, we are already completed our hunger strikes program, and here 39 days continuing the hunger strikes programs. But even now the government of West Bengal and mainly CM, she is not on, even now not necessary steps. So we are not feeling.
Why do you think that is happening? Why do you think that is happening? Why do you think she is not hearing you? Isn't your demand legal?
Obviously, our demands is 100% perfect and legal, and the problem of this problem of this incident, the violence of our Indian Constitution, and also the violence of our humanity, and violence of social system, and also the violence of education system. So, and the many proofs, 1,000 proofs in our hands, but the education minister not granted or any demands, not granted our demands. But our demands, we feel 100% right, and our demands is 100% legal.
And we see two pictures of people who had committed suicide. Who are these people and why did they commit the suicide?
Two people, Ruma Das and Nitya Gopal Das. Already Nitya Gopal Mandal already suicide. Already suicided in this problem, and they are not considered. They are not considered the victim to our government, and also we are not feeling the government's step is not perfect, is not necessary. We are our demands as soon as possible. CM will come to here, education minister come to here and meet with us, and then they will solve our problem. We hope that.
Okay, did you go to the government?
Many times we are trying to meet with him and also meet with the CM, but they are not interested to meet with us.
What do they say?
They are saying that our demands is not legal, but we feel 100% legal our demands.
Okay. Do you have proofs for that?
Many proofs
What
in
are
our
they?
hands.
What are they?
Many proofs in our hands, and already we are press conference. Few days ago, we are press conference.
Okay, you are also. So you are saying that out of these people, 3,000 people who have not been picked up, almost 2,700 are belonging to the Dalit community, and the people who are committed suicide also belong to the Dalit community.
Obviously,
And-
Ruma Das is a candidate, SC candidate,
Okay.
and Nityagopal Mandal also a SC candidate.
So is there caste working here? Because
This is the problem. This is the problem, but we are not think that hurts the interested to government.
what?
Interested of government. What's the why this is the problem created there?
No, what is the problem? Like when you say that out of the 3,000 people, the majority are either Muslims
Either
or Dalits.
Either Muslims or SC candidates.
So is there caste working here? Why are you people who are the discriminated?
Discriminated people are mainly in survival classes. So we demand as soon as possible CM and Education Minister will come and solve the problem with us.
Who are like most of the candidates who are here? Where are they from? Are they from Calcutta or are they outside Calcutta? Majority?
Majority peoples in the districts out of Calcutta.
Okay.
Majority peoples are out of Calcutta and the rural areas.
Okay.
And their family conditions, economic conditions is not good.
Okay. Almost
They are
all.
not able to give 2 lakhs cash for the services.
So they ask cash for services.
2 lakhs cash
Oh.
means ghush. They are not able to give
Okay.
for got the service.
So even if you have education, you can't get a job.
We are educated mainly. All candidates are minimum MA B.Ed, MPhil PhD,
Okay.
and net select candidates. But their economic condition is very poor,
Okay.
so they are victim in this system. So necessary, we do our demands that CM and Education Minister as soon as possible will come here and meet with us, and next they will solve our problems.
Thank you.